This video is designed to demonstrate how to take a book review from an online database and properly cite it using Zotero after you capture the web page. The focus of this is going to be for the sophomore oral communication literary criticism speech, but the same principle can be applied for any other time you're using a database to find information. So the first thing for this specific project we're going to do is go down to Library Services. On the main page, we're going to scroll down to Class Links, and that's going to open another page. Ms. Zaitsev has created an OralComm databases page, and this is going to pull specifically literary databases. The two with the asterisks next to them, the Children's Literature Comprehensive Database and the Novelist Plus, are going to be your best bets. So I'm going to start with the CLCD. If you're on campus, you can just click on the link. If you're off campus, you will need to follow the instructions at the top of that page. For my example, I'm going to look at reviews for The Hunger Games, and I'm going to type in the title of the book and then the author's last name, so it will narrow my search immediately. After I click search, it's going to think, and because I narrowed my search in that way, it's the first option. This page is going to have a lot of information, including different subjects, awards it's won, book lists it's been on. I'm just going to scroll down past all of this, and I want the reviews section. So there are several reviews here. A lot of them are going to contain some summary information as well as some commentary on the book, so you're going to want to cut through that to get to the stuff you want. So I'm really I know I want to use this, and I know I want to use at least one of these reviews, so I'm going to go ahead and capture the page into my Zotero account. Now what it's going to do is it's going to save it as a website, specifically the snapshot to this specific page. But if I find a book review I want to cite, I have to manipulate the citation in Zotero. So I'm going to open up Zotero, and it has this CLCD is the first thing that's here. Now I want this Francesca Goldsmith review from Booklist because I really like how it's phrased. So the first thing I need to do is use the publication information I'm given here to manipulate everything over here. So the first thing is I'm going to click item type, and journal article is the option that's going to best suit our needs here. So I click on journal article, and now you notice a lot of the options have changed. Under the title, I'm going to type in the name of the book because the book review would be named for it. For the author now, rather than CLCD, I'm actually going to type in the specific author's name that's listed here. So remember, last name first. I can just tab over and get the first name here. I can leave the abstract alone because it doesn't have a lot of implications on the citation. Under publication, the information is right here, so book list is the publication. The volume number is listed here as VOL period 105, so I just need to type 105 into Zotero. The issue right next to it is number 1. Sometimes there may be page numbers. For this one, there is no indication that there are page numbers, so I'm going to leave that blank. And the date up here I'm going to use then is September 1st, 2008. As I scroll down the rest of it, the URL and the access date are here and accurate, so that's good. I don't need any of the other information, so I'm just going to click out of this, and I'm actually going to go to notes now. I'm going to add a note, and just for the sake of having it, I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste the entirety of the review. That way I have it here, it's in Zotero, and later on then I can choose which specific parts of the review I want to use. I click back to Hunger Games, and now that's saved. So this now, when I go to actually cite it in Microsoft Word or in Google Docs, for example, I will have the relevant information. It will create the accurate works cited page citation, and it will give me most of the information that I need. And I have this note now that I can drag and drop and manipulate in Microsoft Word.